Welcome to GeoByte. How deeply you touch another life is how rich your life is. Jaggi Vasudev, popularly known as Sadhguru. He is an Indian yogi and mystic who founded the Isha Foundation, a non-profit organization which offers yoga programs around the world. He is also an author, motivational speaker, a philanthropist, a spiritual advisor, and a multidimensional personality. He is born to an ophthalmologist who worked with the Indian Railways. He moved frequently because of his father's work. As his family always moved, he fell in love with travel, adventure, and he also developed a desire to explore the unknown. He was fascinated by nature as a child and would sometimes run to the jungle near his home and spend hours, even days, in the wild. As a result of his childhood experiences, he also developed a lifetime love for snakes. As a young man, he fell in love with motorcycles and traveled to different parts of the country on his bike. After graduating from college, he became a successful businessman. Spiritual experience at the age of 25 made him rethink the purpose of his life. He finally realized his true calling and went on to become a yoga teacher. Then he introduced the Isha Foundation to teach yoga. Over a period of time, the foundation has been involved in various social and community development activities. After completing his college education, Jaggi Vasudev started his career as a businessman. He is a talented, educated, and a hard-working person. He has opened a variety of business, including a poultry farm, brickworks, and a construction company. He was a good businessman when he was in the mid-20s. His life changed greatly on the afternoon of September 23, 1982, when he had a spiritual experiences that forced him to evaluate his life and goals. He was sitting on a rock in Chamundi Hills when he had a very strong spiritual experience that lasted about 4.5 hours. Within weeks of his experience, he asked his friend to take over his company and embarked on his long journey to gain insight into his spiritual experience. After a time of around 1 year, he realized that he was meant to teach yoga and spread knowledge of yoga science. He started doing yoga classes in Mysore in 1983. There were only 7 participants in the first session. Over a period of time, he started to teach yoga classes in Karnataka and Hyderabad. He declined to pay school fees and funded his expenses from the profits he had obtained from his poultry farm. In 1992, he founded Isha Foundation, a non-profit yoga organization called Isha Yoga. The organization was founded near Coimbatore and became popular over the years. Today, it provides yoga services in countries like India, England, Singapore, Canada, Malaysia, Uganda, China, Nepal, and Australia, as well as in United States. The Isha Foundation also engages in various activities for social and community growth. In 2003, it organized ARR, a multi-phase initiative to improve the general health and quality of the rural poor people. The system is expected to help millions in thousands of villages in Tamil Nadu, India. The foundation has founded the Project Green Hands, an environmental friendly initiative in 2004 which was held in Tamil Nadu. The project aims at planting 114 million trees in Tamil Nadu to increase the state's forest cover. He aims to deliver speeches on various events around the world. He also addressed the World Economic Forum in 2006, 2007, 2008, and even in 2009. He is a famous and influential author. He has written over 100 titles in 8 different languages. He is also a brilliant poet and he loves to compose poems in his leisure time. In 2017, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 112 feet Adiyogi Shiva statue designed by Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev at the Isha Yoga Center. In the same year, Jaggi also launched the Rally for Rivers, a campaign to address the problems caused by the water scarcity and river pollution. He organized the Isha Foundation, from which he carries out all of his yoga-related programs and initiates social and community development activities with more than 9 million volunteers. The organization operates in conjunction with international organizations such as the United Nations Economic and Social Council. The organization has a large presence in many countries around the world. At the age of 25 in the year 1982, Jaggi Vasudev had a spiritual experience. 2 years later, he met Vijay Kumari. She was a working woman employed at a bank. They met in Mysore at a lunch where Jaggi Vasudev was invited. They got married in 1984 on the day of Mahashivratri. Apart from working in bank, she would accompany Vasudev and volunteer at his yoga programs whenever she could. A year later, the couple visited Kalakshetra and decided if they ever had a daughter, they will enroll her in Kalakshetra. 5 years later, in the year 1990, the couple were blessed with a daughter. She was named Radhe. Radhe went to the Rishi Valley School for 8 years and then took classes in Kalakshetra for 4 years. Radhe is a trained Bharatanatyam dancer now, but Vijay Kumari was died on 1997. Jaggi Vasudev was honored with many awards. His project Green Hands was awarded the Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Puraskar by the Government of India in June 2010. In 2012, he was named among 100 most powerful Indians by the Indian Express for his contribution in the field of environmental protection and for encouraging public participation in ecological issues. In recognition of his contribution to the field of spirituality, he was awarded the prestigious Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award by the Government of India in 2017. In 2019, he was ranked 40th in the 50 most powerful Indians listed by the India Today. Sadhguru also wrote a number of books like Encounter the Enlightened, Flowers on the Path, Don't Polish Your Ignorance, It May Shine, Inner Engineering, A Yogi's Guide to Joy, Adiyogi, the Source of Yoga. Adiyogi Shiva statue designed by Vasudev, the foundation constructed a 112 feet tall and 500 tons, 490 tons long and 550 tons short. Shiva statue to inspire and encourage yoga. It was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, and has since been recognized as the largest bust sculpture by Guinness World Record. It's part of the drive for Incredible India. Until then, the Tamil Nadu government has rejected that the construction as a whole has been illegal, for which no permission has been granted. The Controller and Auditor General's report further states that the construction has clearly violated the rules of the biodiversity zones. Sadhguru believes a success mantra: improve intelligence and perception. Never recognize yourself with anything. Besides being active, you should be happy. Never lose your perspective. Appreciate the reality. You should have a great sense of humor. Never let your personal life take a backseat because of your stress. Pay attention to yourself. Coming to the conclusion, Sadhguru Jagi Vasudev became highly popular as well as influential as a spiritualist, all because of his insights. His talks and proposals have been well received in a variety of well-known international forms. His best-selling book is Inner Engineering, a must-read book that energizes both the mind and the soul. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.